myself in times of trouble. Mother Mary comes to me, speaks